Yeah, good morning, everyone. Uh, we are seeing some sideway movement in the international market, where in US Dow continue to decline since last 8 days, whereas Nasdaq and S&P are showing positive trend, mainly because of the tech stock outperforming over there. Nvidia was up, and even the other tech stock like Microsoft, Google are showing positive trend. Whereas if you see the Asian market, they are showing more of a mixed reactions, but majorly negative. Whereas the commodities are also showing some marginal softness. In India, yesterday trade deficit data came, which was a large negative of $37.8 billion versus expectation of somewhere at around 23-24 billion. This was mainly driven by the high import of the gold, which is driven by both investment and actual use demand. This 37.8 billion trade deficit has come, but against last month of 27.14 and last year 21.32 billion. So this large trade deficit can have some impact on the rupee, and rupee may see some depreciation. So that can act a bit negative. Herein, the import increased by 27% and then export declined by 5%. So this can act a bit negative for the Indian market in today's trade. So overall, Indian market are also likely to see more of a softness, but likely to remain in a range, not likely to see any meltdown. So more of a, again, one more soft day, which is expected today. Now I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a slightly negative note, and we're likely to witness some sideways momentum during a day. Yesterday, we have seen that the Nifty's was taking a very strong resistance of at around 24,800 levels, but somehow manages to respect 24,600, which was the immediate support levels. Looking towards the technical setup, I believe 24,540 will be the immediate support level. Any move below that levels will drag a Nifty towards 24,470 to 24,400 levels. Whereas on high side, as of now, the resistance is placed at around 24,740. Above that level only, we can witness a good momentum rally on the positive side towards 24,800 to 24,900 levels. So the view is a little bit cautious as long as Nifty trades below 24,740 levels. Coming towards the Bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, 53,540 is the first support level. Any move below that level will drag a Nifty to Bank Nifty towards 53,300 to 53,000 level. whereas the resistance is placed at around 54,270 levels. Stock specific, Balkrishna Industry looks good on the technical front. Yesterday, we have initiated a call. The stock is trading above the important moving averages, say short term moving averages, say 5 and 20 days. And I believe the stock has a potential to reach up to at least on a higher side towards 2930, 2940 levels. So one can chase the momentums as we are stock is trading near the support level. So risk reward ratio is quite favorable. Uh, so maintain the stop loss of 2830 for a target of 2930. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we have seen that Nifty is not able to break the range of 24,800 to 400 mark, as we have seen in yesterday's session also that from 24,800 level, Nifty has shown some liquidation from the upside level, due to which the call data positions got added up strongly towards the 24,700 and 800 strike. So as per today's scenario also, we are seeing that GIFT Nifty is likely to open 70 points on the lower end. So for the same session in today's session also, we might expect in the first half market to remain a little bit on the negative front. The major data point which took place in yesterday's session was the India VIX front. India VIX yesterday shooted up by 7%, giving close at 14. Once if India VIX goes above 15 level and gets stable above 15 level, then there will be some cautious sign in the market. So as per current scenario, hold the long positions. Once if India VIX goes above 15 and gives close above that level, then we should remain little lighter on the long positions. As per current scenario, overall strength from the stock specific front seems to be on the positive side, as overall data which has been created on the stocks front is trading on the positive side only. The data from the index front like Nifty and Bank Nifty is on the sideways. So currently, as per the PCROI, also PCROI yesterday closed at 0.90 level. The support for the PCR is at 0.82 level. In yesterday's session also, we have seen that the PCR was at 1.12 level and was not able to go above 1.18 level. So once if PCR goes above 1.18 level, then only we will witness fresh buying opportunity in the market. Till that point of time, on the PCROI data front also, we expect some sideways momentum in the market. While on the stock specific and sector specific front, counter that looks positive will be Coromandel Prestige. Mannapuram looks positive, while on the negative front, Adani Green, Nalco, and Emphasis looks negative. So that's it from the front. Thank you.
Good morning. On the news front, Wipro has acquired a 100% stake in a US-based IT consulting firm named Applied Value Technologies for a consideration of $40 million. So that company has clocked the revenues of around $19.4 million in calendar year 23. So this news is positive for Wipro. That's it from me. Thank you.
Uh, Sorry for that. In fact, the news was related to Vedanta Limited. Vedanta has declared interim dividend of 8.5 rupees, which was more of a unexpected line. So this is more of a neutral for Vedanta Limited, whereas Hindustan Petroleum has announced an expansion plan of new oil in their Mumbai refinery, and with the investment of 4,679 crores. So that can act as positive for Hindustan Petroleum Corporations. In fact, anyhow, all the OMCs are likely to report better number in this quarter, mainly because of improvement in the GRM, which was quite low in the last quarter or negative also. But in this quarter, the GRM has improved substantially. And also, apart from that, all these OMCs are making good marketing margins because of the steady petrol and diesel prices and low crude oil prices. On the other hand, on LPG, they are incurring a lot of losses because the government is not compensating for LPG losses or subsidy. So net from the last quarter, the results are likely to be much better in the Q3. So outlook for all the OMCs are positive. That's all from us. And I'll request commodity team to take it from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we had witnessed some pullback in gold and silver. Again, profit taking was witnessed in the evening session. Today also we are of the view that buying on dips is recommended. We have seen 2-3 days of correction, and we might see a pullback from 76. 900 to 850, and in silver 90,500. So there could be some pullback from these levels. So buying on dips with a stop loss of 76 650 in gold and 89 800 in silver is recommended. On upside again, prices could test 77 300 to 500 levels on upside, and silver also can test 91 500 to 92,000 on upside. Whereas in metals, copper, we have witnessed prices resisting 818 on upside. So selling on rise for the target of 810. For trading purpose, one can also buy from 808 with a stop loss of 805. And in zinc, we are expecting prices to test 284, 283. So sell around 287 with a stop loss of 289. And in crude oil, we are witnessing 6050 as a stiff resistance zone. So prices are expected to consolidate from 6050 to 5900. So for trading purpose, one can strictly sell with a stop loss of 6050, and a cautious sign if prices are closing above 6050, then we expect further buying in crude. So watch out for the same. On downside again, 5930 is the level where one can buy with a stop loss of 5880. And in natural gas also, we are expecting a consolidation from 280 to 265. So buy around 270 with a stop loss of 265. And also for trading purpose, 280 one can initiate a sell with a stop loss of 287. That's it from us. Thank you very much.